Today we are going to talk about words in chapter 9. Words are defined by Hockett as any segments of a sentence bounded by successive points at which pausing is possible. Another definition presented by Stegerberg, which says that a word is the smallest segment of a speech that can stand alone. However, there are some reservations, let's say, about the boundaries of words, whether in spoken or written language. Generally, words are of three main classes. The simple words, which consist of a single free morpheme, as in spirit, mother, or time. The complex words, which contain as their immediate constituent two bound forms or a bound and a free form, for example, televise, exclude. These two words have two bound morphemes, whether the second group, eraser, for example, telephone, has a bound and a free morpheme, tele and phone, erase and er, etc. The third class of words is the compound words. This type or this class of words have free forms, usually two or sometimes more. For example, greenhouse, outside, undergo. All of these compound words consist of two free morphemes, green and house, out and side, under and go. A small number of compound words have three or four free forms. For example, speak and span, and happy-go-lucky, etc. Compound words resemble grammatical structures in that they imply a grammatical relationships. Some of these grammatical structures are subject plus verb, as in the compound earthquake, which implies subject plus a verb, earthquakes. Another grammatical structure, verb plus object, as in killjoy, which implies the verb kills plus an object, joy, kills joy. A third implies grammatical relation is the verb plus adverbial, as in the compound stop over, which implies stops over. Also, a prepositional phrase, as in extrasensory, which implies the grammatical relation beyond the senses. There are other implied grammatical structures that are number 9 presented in Stegerberg's book of compound nouns. You can check them on page 117. Students are also invited to do exercise 9.3 about figuring out the underlying structure of some compound words. Here we comes to an end for our lecture. See you in next lectures.